Why do Lola and Bugs Bunny need to know math and science to have kids?
Math.
Welcome, class. Today we will be learning about the Fibonacci sequence, and how it has to do with the reproduction of bunnies. The Fibonacci bunny problem is something Fibonacci created because he wanted to answer the following question. If two bunnies are placed together, how many bunnies will there be after 1 year? However, to solve the question, some restrictions were placed. The first restriction was that the bunnies can only have one male and one female offspring. The second restriction was they can only reproduce once per month. The third restriction was that the bunnies can only start to reproduce once they are 1 month old, and finally the last restriction was that the bunnies never died. Once Fibonacci obtained the restrictions, he was able to obtain the Fibonacci reproduction equation, also called the recursive formula, which consists of fn plus 1 equals fn minus 1 plus fn for all n greater than or equal to 3. This formula can only be used when the initial conditions are f1 equal to 1, f2 equal to 1, and f3 equal to 2. Now that we know the restrictions, the equation, and the initial conditions, let's find the solution. For example, imagine Bugs Bunny and Lola want to know how many baby bunnies they will have once they reproduce, and how many baby bunnies their kits will have once they reproduce. For the first and second month, we know there will only be Bugs Bunny and Lola because of our previous restrictions. However, by the third month there will be Bugs Bunny, Lola, and 2 newborn bunnies. If we continue this trend using the Fibonacci reproduction equation, we can observe the first few terms. The first few terms of the Fibonacci equation are the following: first month equals 1 pair, second month equals 1 pair, third month equals 2 pairs, fourth month equals 3 pairs, fifth month equals 5 pairs. Finally, if you continue to use the Fibonacci equation, you will find out that if Bugs Bunny and Lola reproduce by the end of 1 year, they will have 232 pairs of offsprings, for a total of 233 pairs of bunnies, or 466 bunnies.